What's up everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I think have a huge potential. But before we show the project, you just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project, it's called SA World. It's scalable and interoperable gaming infrastructure governed by SAY and backed by CB Ventures, it's Coinbase Ventures, and then Pantera Capital and the Spartan Group. So they have 33,000 followers and they already have a website. And if we take a look at their engagement on their Twitter post, it's crazy engagement. Like for example, this one was posted 10 hours ago and it has 3.1 thousand likes, 2.7 retweets. And then if we scroll down another one, if you look at this post right here, this was posted on February 1st, has 27,000 likes and 26,000 retweets. It's probably due to the premium link, but looks like a lot of people is entering to get the whitelist spot for this project, because I think this project is gonna do amazing. Doesn't matter if you're gonna do a quick flip or if for a long term. I think this has a huge potential, and with the backing like this, it's gonna do very well. And if we're gonna take a look at their website right here, you can play and then you can become a citizen, you can download now and build SA World. And then the second project, it's called Dyor Exchange. Swipe to discover, follow investors, and invest into high quality projects, fully decentralized, launching Q1. So they have a website, this is their exchange, and they also have quite a few followers on their Twitter, 34,000, and they're getting decent engagement as well. Free mint supply is going to be 1,200. So I think also this project is going to do very well. And then if we pull up their website right here, this is going to be like their DApp or like a decentralized investing app. And then right here, you can enter the waitlist, just enter your email. Never know, you might get on a waitlist and you'll have opportunity to get a spot. And then the last project, it's called Basketballverse, and this is a global hub for basketball fans, delivering unique fusion of gaming, community spirit, and exclusive perks, powered by NBA and EuroLeague stars. So also, this has 35,000 followers, getting decent engagement on their Twitter post. They also have a website and a bunch of social media that you can find here in a link tree. And then if you go here, you can also sign up, be ahead, and you can just check it out, gameplay, coaches, digital assets, and white paper about this project. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I show you in this video, I'm gonna keep my eye on. I'm gonna try to get a whitelist spot because I'm pretty sure they're gonna do very well. And all the projects that I show you in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.